Question 17. Now, it doesn't tell you they are similar triangles. I guess I think many of you might have just worked on it assuming it was, but I'll show you why they're similar triangles. If triangles are similar, then they'll have the same angles inside. So this angle, because it's on a parallel line with that one, these two will be the same. In exactly the same way, because these two are parallel and these two are parallel, then that will be the same. And if these two angles x and y are the same as these two angles x and y, then the third angle must also be the same. So we are dealing with similar triangles. Now the larger of the triangles is CED. How much bigger is it? Well, we compare corresponding sides. So AB corresponds to CE. We should see, and this is quite common in our enlargements, that we've got a scale factor of 1.5 going from the small triangle to the large triangle. So if I want the length ED, well, that's ED is parallel, so it is ED corresponds to BC, so it's 1.5 times larger than 8. Now 1.5 times 8 is 8 plus a half of 8, which is 8 plus 4, which is 12. That's the answer to the first part. Now the second part, we're told that the full length AD is 25. So we've got to calculate the length of, I'll just get it here, A to C. Now what we need to do here is remember that we're in this ratio of 1 to 1.5, or better still, 2 to 3. Okay, so 2 to 3. How do I know that? Well, again, it's because this is 1.5 times that. So we've got 25, and we've got to split it into the ratio 3 to 2, or 2 to 3. So there are 5 parts, so 25 divided by 5 will give me 1 part, and 25 divided by 5 is 5, so 1 part is equal to 5, so our A to C then is going to be worth 10. Now this would be 3 parts would be 15, and 10 and 15 make the 25. So the length of A to C is 10. I'll just write C above there, and just show that what I was doing. You couldn't quite see that. So from the work I've shown you above, the answer is 10. Again, just to recap, if this is 25 all the way across, because we've made it 1.5 times larger, it was 1 to 1.5, which is the same as the ratio 2 to 3. That's easy to work with. There's 5 parts. If we split it into 2 to 3, the full length 5 parts is worth 25. 1 part is worth 5. So the bit we want, AC, worth 2 parts, is worth 2 5s, is 10. That's question 17.